Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert, here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to talk about water management during this high water. I built the same berm in municipalities, and we use this to go thousands of feet to protect the shoreline. I had some dredging done, and until I can get the dredging pushed, and even after I get the dredging pushed, I need to create some sort of a berm to keep the water from washing away my earth. I have a steel seawall with a angle iron cap. What you don't see is the fact that the cap isn't connected right to the seawall. See how the water comes in under the cap? So when boats come through here with waves, or when the wind blows and the waves hit my seawall, they're eroding away my earth. So here's what I've done. We've made burrito berms on the ground where we took visqueen, we laid it down on the ground for 2 or 3 feet. We put dirt on top of the visqueen, then we pulled the visqueen over the top of the dirt and put weights on it. Bingo! I am now secured this earth. There's 2 types of visqueen we can use for this project. There's this reinforced Clair that is brutally strong. The problem is it is not UV safe. I put down a 6 mil black visqueen first, like so. Then I've used the stronger reinforced visqueen. Of course, I cut this into narrow strips ahead of time. This is stronger, but it's not ultraviolet safe. So in a year and a half's time, this will start to decompose. So I put this down, the black down first. I put the reinforced over the black. Then as I fill it with dirt and I wrap it over the top, the black visqueen will be covering the reinforced visqueen. Yes, I know you're all waiting for me to fall in the water. These are my magnetic sandals, just like my steel-toed sandals. So now it's my first layer of dirt. Seeing as how it was put on top of water, it will take a bit to settle down. I've learned that practicing to get this far. I've also learned it's best to start at one end and go to another so you don't trap any water in between. This will get another layer of dirt in about an hour or so. So here's the secret. The reinforced visqueen is stronger than dirt. The black visqueen protects reinforced, so now it won't rot. Between these 2 layers of visqueen, even though this is built protecting a seawall, I built the same berm in municipalities like at Grosse Pointe Woods. We engineered this, and we use this to go thousands of feet to protect the shoreline, laying visqueen and making a Blair burrito berm. Using the 2 layers makes it about indestructible. You put some bricks on it, you'll have a walkway.